Welcome to Shadow Stake Saga, a next-generation blockchain dungeon crawler built on OneChain. This isn't just another game. It's a fully on-chain gaming experience where your scores, achievements, and progress are permanently stored on the blockchain. In Shadow Stake Saga, you'll explore procedurally generated dungeons, battle fearsome enemies, and compete on a global leaderboard, all powered by OneChain's Move smart contracts. Let me show you how it works. First, let's talk about controls. Movement is simple. Use arrow keys or WASD to move in 4 directions. Navigate through dungeon rooms and corridors. For combat, press spacebar for a basic melee attack when you're close to enemies. Each attack has a cooldown, so timing is crucial. And here's the special move. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Space for a cyclone attack that damages all enemies around you in a 360-degree radius. You start with 3 lives. When your health reaches 0, you lose 1 life and respawn. Lose all 3 lives and it's game over. The game features 5 different enemy types. Skeletons, your basic melee enemies. Archers, ranged attackers that keep their distance. Shadow beasts, fast and aggressive. Elemental wraiths, powerful magic casters. And necromancers, the toughest enemies with high HP. Each enemy has different damage output and behavior patterns, so you'll need to adapt your strategy. As you can see, each dungeon is procedurally generated with multiple rooms and corridors. Your goal is to find the stairs to advance to the next level. Here's a skeleton. Let me get close. An attack. When you defeat enemies, they drop coins that increase your score. There are different rarities. Silver, gold, emerald, ruby, and diamond coins. Oh, we're surrounded. This is perfect for the cyclone attack. Boom. Area damage to all nearby enemies. Ouch. That archer got me. You can see my health bar decreasing. If it reaches 0, I'll lose 1 of my 3 lives. And there we go, game over. I managed to score X points across X rounds. Now here's where the blockchain magic happens. After game over, I can store my score permanently on the OneChain blockchain. Let me click Store Results. And here's my One Wallet pop-up. You can see the transaction details, the game package address, my score, X points, number of rounds, 10, and the timestamp. This transaction will cost a tiny gas fee, about 0.001 OCT. Which prevents spam and ensures only real scores make it to the blockchain. My score is now permanently stored on the OneChain blockchain. This transaction is verifiable on the OneChain Explorer. Anyone can see it, but no one can fake it or delete it. True ownership of my gaming achievements. The smart contract emits a game completed event with my wallet address, score, rounds, and timestamp, all immutable and transparent. I'll sign the transaction. And done. Here's the global leaderboard pulling live data from OneChain blockchain. Every score is backed by a real transaction. No centralized servers, no fake scores, just pure verifiable competition. The game features a staking system with 20% APY where you can stake $SSS tokens to earn passive rewards. Stake, unstake, or claim rewards, turning your gaming skills into real value. So, that's Shadow Stake Saga, where classic dungeon crawling meets blockchain technology.